Hi again. Alright, I got my last part that I'm going to be installing for a while, and this is what it is. So I decided to get an adjustable shift linkage. I don't know if you remember from the last video about the whole carbon fiber thing. Once you start, you just can't stop, right? Well, that's what's happening once again. So I went with Greene Brothers. I've used their stuff in the past, and it's really good quality. So I decided to get another one for my forward controls. So this is what you get. I just went with this one. Let's just open this up here. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada damn. That looks nice. Super nice. Alright. Bamco. Don't know what that is. Don't really care. And we're just going to slice this open. Oh. Of course, they do a little heat seal so you can't just slide it out, or I just cut it. So we'll just cut a little closer, like right there. There. Look at that shiny rod. Look at that shiny carbon fiber rod. Alright. Now, we'll cut this out. These are super cool. 12 point. Almost has like an ARP kind of look. Oh look! ARP! It is what it is. Super cool. That's the good stuff. Okay. And here is the rod. So, it's really shiny. Very nice. So let's go ahead and throw this bad boy in. Alright? Right. Okay. First things first. Remove the old rod. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is actually, I don't think that's tight. So I'm just going to shift this forward. Just kind of hold this with my knee. I'll hold this with my hand. Boom. That was so easy. Put that right there. Next, the other side. So in case you haven't noticed, these are forward controls. So it might be a little different for your application. Alright, so this is the old one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of get this close. Get this close to where this one is. And then I will adjust accordingly. Yeah, we really maxed out that other one, didn't we? Okay. That's good enough, I think. Okay, now we're going to slap this one in. Now we'll use the ARP. So what I did before was I kind of went a little crazy with the Loctite. So I'm not going to go crazy today. Not this time. Although, so I want to go. Well, I should use the ARP. I should use it. And then what about this one? I should use. Just make sure this works with that. Focus. Why is that on there? That goes on there nice. I don't know why that has that indent there. Or why that's like cone shaped. But whatever. Just a little bit of Loctite will do. Okay, we're going to use both ARPs. Now I just have to get my 12-point socket set real quick. So we're going to rock 3/8. I think it's 3/8. I hope it's 3/8. Right. So this ratchet's a little crispy. All right, just a tiny bit this time, just a little bit, just a little dot. Just a little tight. Not crazy. Don't need to get crazy. Okay, whatever. All right. So this is going to go on the back side. So we'll do a little dab of this, just a tiny bit. Okay. This will come up here. This will go right here, and you stick it in the hole. All right. Let me put this on the back right here. A little crazy to me. Oh, I know why that is there actually, so you get a little bit more movement actually, I think. I'm guessing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. That goes like that. So make sure you put the cone facing that way. And let me just double check with the directions, but I'm pretty sure that is how it goes. I'm definitely willing to bet money on it. And if I was a betting man, I would have won. I should go buy a lottery ticket. Okay. There we go. I'll just slap this guy right on here. Okay. That works. Okay, not too crazy tight, just a little tight. Bam! There it is. Beautiful. That thing is so beautiful. Okay. Now I'm just going to double check the adjustments, which I'm going to throw my boot back on. One thing I learned is that, I mean, if you ride with boots, definitely adjust this with your boot on. It'll save you a headache later. Okay. It's actually not bad. This little squeeze. So you adjust it just by spinning the rod with your finger. Super easy. Yeah, I think that's where I want it. It's gonna be so nice not having to pick up my leg to shift anymore. I can just swing my foot around, boom. Nice. Okay, I like it. All right, so that's where it's gonna be. So next, all we do is tighten those two nuts to lock the adjustment into place. This goes right here. Boom. Boom. Grab a brush. Give it just a little. And this one. Just a little down. There it is. Carbon fiber. Greene Brothers shift linkage, forward controls. Very nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay, I'm actually filming a quick correction on this install. So, this part right here, this cone is supposed to be, this is supposed to be on the outside right here, and that's why the spacers so big, and that's why the cone's right there. I was just looking at the installation picture that came with the instructions for this, and it's actually supposed to be out here. So I'm going to go ahead and change that right now, and I will show you what it looks like after. Okay, and this is what it looks like after I fixed it.